how to fix messenger voice record not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix messenger voice record not working problem. So guys, what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and then search for messenger, MESSENGER. So just search for messenger, and after searching for messenger, what you have to do is just click on messenger here. Now after clicking here, if they are asking for an update here, if they are asking for an update, you have to update your messenger. After updating your messenger, what you have to do is just restart your phone. You have to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, what you have to do is go to your mobile settings. After going to mobile settings, scroll down and go to app management or install apps or anything what you have in your phone relating apps. So now I will go to messenger. Here you can see messenger, so I will just click on messenger, and what you have to do is just click on force stop here. So I have to click on force stop, and then you have to stop the force here. Now what you have to do is click on storage uses, click here, and then you have to clear all the data here. Now after clicking here, what you can see here, permission. So just click on permission and you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed it, I'm just showing you to fix your and to solve your problem. So now after doing this, let's go to messenger, and then let's see whether we can send voice record or not. Just click here and let's try. Sorry, my due to the recording problem, screen recording problem, I wouldn't be able to send message, but the problem has already been solved. Thanks for watching.